Consulting sounds luxurious, but quite intimidating and scary compared to affiliate marketing or e-commerce business startup. In the past 8 years, I've learned a ton about how to turn your expertise to consulting service and digital product that people will actually buy and use, and how to go from idea to launch in a lot less time. So if you are feeling tired doing affiliate marketing without getting the results that you want, or maybe you are burned out with Google and Facebook ad account suspension, or maybe cannot find the right product from ClickBank that you want to promote, or really want to build your own business this year, but confused and overwhelmed, or most of your affiliate ads are wasted without making a sale? So, in this episode number 2, I'm sharing my 5 top hacks to pay attention to make consulting easier, to plan your business startup from the ground up. So, for the outside of the consulting industry, there tend to be a lot of misconceptions about what it's like to be a consultant. So, if you dare to break through, then this episode will help you get started delivering your work through consulting. My name is Jan Kua, and I teach everything about the step-by-step breakthrough solution that gives you the edge to set your own role business that scales. So if you don't know already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification so every time I drop this kind of video, you will get notified. So why consulting versus affiliate marketing? So first thing first, understand that emotions and money just don't mix in business. So if you dare to turn your passion and your expertise into consulting that people are hungry to buy, then you need to detach yourself with money and genuinely help others. And if you're just in it for the money, I'm so sorry that there's the door for you. So here are the 5 top hacks to make consulting easier. So number 1, with consulting, you can start immediately. The talent you have been given has value. So you have gifts and ability that sometimes you just take it for granted. With consulting, you can get consulting clients regardless of your experiences and services. So you can test your idea immediately in a small group of people to see if someone will pay you even if you don't have any following, email list, or budget for advertising. So that's exciting, right? So while affiliate marketing, you just choose a product like with the highest gravity on ClickBank, or you see Joe making money promoting product B or product C, then there you are doing the same thing, right? So you are not here for an imaginary outcome. You are here to get real feedback from the marketplace and see if people will pay you in exchange for what you can give them. And number 2, consulting don't need a specific degree. Consulting is where you earn while you grow. When I quit my job in 2012, I have no skills in consulting, but I have 16 years of experience in business startup from scratch. I don't have any master's degree. In fact, I graduated with a bachelor degree in tourism. Before I got involved in business startup, all I know is to serve tea and coffee as an FA. So that means you can learn as you progress and you can earn while you continue to develop your skills. Because obviously that you do not know yet what your customers want from you. So consulting can give you flexibility, location independence, and money. So what would you do with an extra $1,500 or $5,000 per month? So most online entrepreneurs don't understand about becoming a business owner. They simply focus on how they get funding or how to get clients, and they focus more on what they want, not on what their customers want. So I want to share with you that you go first to my consulting training bootcamp number 1. So you will get a complete bird's eye view about running a typical mainstream business. So you can use this as your reference on how you can run and manage your own business from anywhere. And if you watch my episode number 1 about the Ultimate Business Startup Guide number 4, the consulting training bootcamp is a good example of my educational video series that I provide to my mailing list. Also, a great example for you of my automated webinar funnel that can be useful in building your consulting business. And consulting hack number 3, with consulting, you can start with little or no startup capital. When you're starting out a business, it can seem pretty confusing. Ask yourself an extremely important question. What do people pay for? So I see most online entrepreneurs struggle in finding a niche. So here's the thing. If you are a generalist, you stir up questions. But if you are a specialist, you answer questions. So this is huge. What do I mean by that? Is targeting a mass audience is not the right strategy now because technology have made it possible for anyone to find exactly what they want on the internet. So if you build your business startup without understanding why people should buy from you, your startup is doomed to fail from the start. So actually, there are plenty of ways how to start an online business, and most of them are difficult to make a living from it. And it will take much of your time. So today, I'm showing you the simplest and more practical business startup that has the potential for you to get started, grow, and earn more. Now, it is up to you if you want to take this path or not. With consulting, you can simply come up with a business idea to test and validate your idea if someone will pay you for that idea. There's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing, and you also need to do that as well to reduce your business expenses. So like for example, for me, I use GetResponse and I am an affiliate of GetResponse. So GetResponse is the tool that I use in creating an opt-in form, automated email sequence, as well as my business automation workflow. This is for me to segregate those email openers to non-email openers or to those clickers to non-clickers. So if you are running a business, understand that there are fixed business expenses like renting an office space. But for me, since IWFA, work from anywhere, I have some fixed monthly expenses. But when you already start making money, then you can immediately get your ROI, your return on investment. And consulting hack number 4, when you do consult, you're building your own dreams and not the dreams of others. With consulting, you are growing and improving your problem-solving skills to help others. So in my case, I end up teaching business startup because of my previous job experiences when I got involved with manufacturing business startups from scratch. I mean literally from the vacant 8 hectares of land. So erecting the office building, manufacturing facilities, creating a system, launching a product, monitoring the operating cash flow of the company, as well as negotiating with big advertising agencies related to marketing. I remember paying $100,000s for billboard advertising and TV advertising for brand awareness and product launches. So this is why I end up teaching people how to launch their own business startup using what they have, their expertise and knowledge. Because if you know how to set up your business structure from the ground up, you can position your business on the very top of Google without paying anything. So let me show you this. So here in Google, you will see that this is my product, the Consulting Breakthrough Simplified. So this is my sales page. And you will see here, these are my videos, my masterclass. And if you scroll all the way down, you will see all these images here that is related to my Consulting Breakthrough Simplified. So you will see here that this is positioned on the first page of Google and on the very top page. With affiliate marketing, you are building someone else's dream instead of creating your own version of the life you love. If you don't start building your ideal future business now, someone else out there will hire you to build their dreams. And here's the consulting hack number 5. With consulting, you set your own rule. You control your price, your message, how you want to deliver it, the value, promotion, and discount coupon, your upsell, your downsell, how many clients you want to serve. So in short, you have the main control of all the things that you want to do in your business and in your life. So with affiliate marketing, you play the role of others and you are at the mercy of someone else's rule. And if happens that you are my affiliate partner, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for your support. But I hope that building your own dreams makes sense. Like for example, I've been using Peerfly for the past years, handling big companies like Disney, Walgreens, Target, and I promote Agoda on my travel website. Peerfly shut down. So over the years, I've seen businesses come and go. So the industry will always change. So what's working 5 years ago will not necessarily work today. And this is not a bad thing. You just need to adapt. Like now, the new norm is to work from home, but you also need to secure your future to end uncertainties. So if you want to learn more, I have a free resource for you. So just click the link below this video. Jankoa here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.